This is ANSYS Workbench window, and I am doing a rectangle plate analysis where the rectangle plate is uniformly compressed in one direction. I am opening the static structural system. Open the geometric model. So this is a design modeler window. Selecting the XY plane, units as millimeters, and go for a sketch. Under sketching rectangle by 2 point, I am selecting. After these constraints, I want a symmetry. Select the axes and the points which we want to make a symmetry. Okay, then go for a dimensions. The horizontal width h1 I am giving it as 150 mm, and the vertical dimension giving it as 100 mm. So this finishes the sketch of a rectangle plate. Now go for extrude, and the sketch is selected and apply, and add material is there here. Here we're not going to add here. I select it as add material, and the depth, that is like a thickness of a plate, I am doing it as 5 mm. So then go for generate. Now the plate is modeled. Go to file and close the design modeler. Then open the mesh model. And this is a mesh model where we need to do a meshing, and also we can apply the loads here itself. Right click on a mesh, generate mesh, and here I'm going to fix the bottom end of this plate. So bottom surface I'm going to fix. So till that plate, and select on this static structural, and here there is a supports. The first option, that is fixed support, is there. Click on this face and apply. So this end is fixed now, this face is fixed, and I am going to apply the loads on the upper surface. Upper face I am going to apply the loads. So for that, load option, and I am going to apply the force. We want to select the geometry where we want to apply the load, selected and apply, and the magnitude of that load. So here I am going for a components, that is defined by components, and here it is asking in which direction we want to apply the load, and that is in negative y direction I want to apply the load. For a compression load, we should apply a negative load in y direction. So I am giving a 1000 Newton of load. Okay, that finishes the load application, and then go for a solution, and we want to visualize the total deformation, equivalent strain and equivalent stress. So then go for a solve. This completes the analysis, and we can visualize what is the total deformation on a plate, on a rectangle plate. This is a maximum amount of deformation. Here in this tabular data we can see, and this is a equivalent strain and equivalent stress. So we can also see the animation here, that is a deformation of a plate. Okay, this finishes the analysis of a rectangle plate which is uniformly compressed in one direction, that is in y direction, and in next video I'm going to do a analysis for a plate with a central cutout, the cutout which may be a circle or it may be a rectangle.